I'm Beth Ann. Sodika, Beth Ann ka.
What's up? I'm Ayla. Sodika, Ayla ka.
Hi, I'm Mimi. สวัสดีค่ะ มิมิค่ะ
This is Let's Talk BL, a boys love podcast.
Yindi ton rapsu. Let's talk BL Citywide podcast.
Okay, guys. Loyal listeners of the podcast will know that this is a very, very special episode for so many reasons. You might even say it'll probably be the cutest episode yet. Today, we are talking to the cast of Pluie.
ค่ะ สวัสดีผู้ชมทุกท่านนะคะ วันนี้เรามากับแขกรับเชิญสุดพิเศษ แล้วก็บอกได้เลยว่าเรามั่นใจว่า EP นี้น่าจะเป็นหนึ่งใน EP ที่น่ารักที่สุดนะคะ เรามาคุยกับนักแสดงจากซีรีส์ Pluie ค่ะ
Yes, so please welcome P, Title, Boss, Copter, and Suar. Yes, introduce yourselves.
Tell us who you are.
พี่ก่อนก็ได้
โอเค
ซักความผี
สวัสดีครับชื่อพีรวิทย์พลอยนำพลนะครับรับบทเป็นทัศน์ครับผม Hello my name is พีรวิทย์พลอยนำพล my nickname P yeah
Awesome.
Hello I'm Title ครับ
Awesome.
Hello I'm Copter
Nice.
Hi I'm Suar Hello my name is Boss
Excellent.
They're all here.
Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Nice to meet those of you who are joining us for the first time.
Yes, this is so exciting because today we are going to play a brand new game here at Let's Talk BL.
Yes.
Because of course, Sia and Title have been here before.
Yes.
They have already played our oldest traditional game, Lost in Translation. So loyal listeners of the show, today we are not playing Lost in Translation. But speaking of, it's a very notable moment because Sia has actually just become the #1 Let's Talk BL guest. This is now his 4th time on the podcast, which means he has been on the podcast more times than anyone else.
Twice in person, once in person.
He used to be tied with our friend Portia.
Yeah.
They both had 3 appearances, but today Sia is now his 4th appearance. So Sia, you just congratulations.
You get no prize.
Besides knowing Let's Talk BL.
That's true.
So today, instead of Let's Talk Lost in Translation, we're going to be playing a game called Know Your Bro.
Know your bro
Yeah.
Okay
ค่ะ ก็เมื่อกี้นะคะเขาบอกว่าวันนี้เราจะมาเล่นเกมใหม่กันนะคะ เพราะว่าไตเติ้ลกับเสือเนี่ยมาที่นี่แล้วมาก่อนเนาะแล้วก็เคยเล่นเกมนี้ไปแล้วเพราะฉะนั้นเราต้องเปลี่ยนเกมนิดนึงแล้วก็เขาพูดว่าเสือเนี่ยมาครั้งที่นี่เป็นครั้งที่4แล้วเรียกได้ว่าเป็นคนที่มาออก Let's Talk BL เยอะที่สุดเลยนะคะได้รับรางวัลไปเลย ค่ะเดี๋ยวเขาอธิบายเกม
So the way this is going to work is we are going to be reading off fun facts about each of the people here with us today, and the first person to answer who that fact is about will get a point. And you can answer if you know a fact is about someone other than yourself. And at the end of the game, the boy with the most points wins. And to ring in, all you have to do is to yell out your name.
Yeah.
And then, of course, there will be a punishment. At the end,
Yes.
the losers are going to have to sing a little song about rain.
Yes.
ค่ะก็สำหรับเกมนี้นะคะชื่อเกมว่า Know Your Bro หรือว่าผมรู้จักคุณดีครับนะคะก็เดี๋ยวเขาจะอ่านเป็นเหมือนกับว่าเป็นประวัติเนาะแล้วก็ให้ตะโกนชื่อตัวเองออกมาเพื่อเป็นการเรียกตอบว่าอันเนี้ยประวัติเนี้ยให้เดาว่าเป็นของใครอย่างเช่นพูดประวัตินี้มาเดาว่าเป็นของไตเติ้ลอะไรแบบเนี้ยค่ะนะคะพูดชื่อตัวเองออกมาเนาะ
ไหมครับ
ผมชนะ
อะไรนะคะ
คุณพูดพร้อมกัน
ไม่ได้ยินขออีกรอบ
ใครจะตอบก็คือบอกชื่อของตัวเองใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่ก็คือแบบมิมิแล้วก็ตอบคำตอบว่าเดาว่าประวัติเนี้ยเป็นของใครแบบนี้ค่ะแล้วก็คนที่ชนะมีคนชนะด้วยแล้วก็คนที่แพ้จะต้องร้องเพลงอะไรก็ได้ที่เกี่ยวกับฝนค่ะ
So we have to
yes
Yeah, so try to
Always.
win.
Always. Okay, guys.
win นะ
Hopefully you're ready. So, do you guys want to play a game? Wani Malim game Sanuk Sanuk Kan Mai Ka?
ครับ Done.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
No.
Okay, let's get started.
It's okay. We're playing anyway. So first fun fact
Yes.
is this person's favorite food is Japanese food. Who is it?
ไตเติ้ล
Okay.
Okay.
ไตเติ้ลครับ
I mean, technically, he can't disprove.
ตอบไม่ได้
แต่คือเนี่ยกำลังจะตอบไตเติ้ลเลย
No but no but I love Japanese food That's why.
But have you publicly listed on the internet that it's your favorite food?
Yeah
เคยใส่ไว้ในเน็ตยังคะ yes okay
Okay, we're going to give it to you. Technically, this is
Yes.
actually about Boss.
Yes.
But we'll give it to you because we can't disprove you.
Do you have a whole highlight on your Instagram about Japanese food?
Because Boss does.
Yes.
อ๋อพี่บอสมีเหรอ
I see No, we all love Japanese food by the way.
Okay, everyone loves Japanese food. Okay, that one was kind of difficult.
Okay.
Okay. This one should be a little more straightforward.
Yes,
Next
yes.
up, this person graduated from the Faculty of Medicine at Mahidol University.
I feel like Boss was first.
Yeah, I heard Boss
I
first.
did.
โอเค
I answer P
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Which is very impressive, by the way.
Yes. If we get injured in Thailand,
We know who to call. It's true. Okay. Next up, another fun fact is gonna be
That one.
this
Okay.
person's favorite food is
Yes.
khao soi. Yeah.
I guess myself
เอาอีกแล้วเหรอ
And he's correct.
True.
ตอบเลยไม่ได้ใช่ปะ
they can't answer themselves right
You can, but you can also answer about other
Yes.
people.
Does anybody else
no.
like khao soi?
Yeah.
ตอบได้ค่ะ
Okay, here's another one.
Yes.
This person was a model and modeled for a clothing brand with Bright, who's another very
ไต
popular.
เติ้ล
I saw Copter go.
Copter
Yes.
Yes, in fact, Copter, a very successful model.
Yes.
There are pictures. There are
True.
photo shoots. We've
Yes,
seen them
yes.
all.
Oh, it's very long time ago when I was in year 1 in university
Oh in your
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Very cool.
that is very cool. I did not know
Yeah.
you were in New York City. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that's cool.
Okay, this next one, there are 2 possible answers. I will preface this. Okay.
Two possible Okay
Yes. This person was a contestant on IQIYI Thailand.
Copter
ไตเติ้ล
I mean, I heard Copter's name first, so let's
Yeah.
Copter.
พี่พีแอนพี่เสือ
Yes. We have 2 IQIYI Thailands here today.
It's the cutest episode.
It is
yet.
the cutest episode.
Yes.
This show.
It wouldn't be
It's
Let's Talk
outstanding.
BL without bringing up IQIYI
IQIYI
Thailand. We have watched the whole thing without subtitles multiple times.
So many times.
We really love the theme song. It's,
Okay.
I do love the show.
Do it. No, yeah. No, sing the song,
Okay,
Sia.
no, go
Sing the
for it.
song. Yeah.
He can sing He can sing
He is winner of QMod Thailand
เสือไอ้ป้า
You are the winner.
1 2ฉันจะขอเสียงออกไปคว้าหัวใจเธอ ฉันจะยอมเสี่ยงต่อให้แม้น้ำตาล้น
Show.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Excellent.
Okay. This next one is a deep cut.
Yes.
You will only know this fun fact if
You are this person.
you are this person or you watched this episode of Let's Talk BL. If this person could write a letter to anyone, they would write a letter to Elon Musk.
Why this sounds so funny ไตเติ้ล
Title.
I think I'm gonna answer myself
Yes.
Is this
Yes,
right?
in fact.
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent.
No, because like sometimes ago, I remember like someone asked me if I could write a letter to someone, who would I write? Then I answer Elon Musk.
Yes.
I think it's you guys right ask me
why Elon
Yes.
Musk?
Yes.
Why?
because
Yeah, why?
I think it's about cryptocurrency something.
Okay.
Yes.
Why not? I don't know.
Satoshi.
The New Jeans.
New Jeans. No,
at
that time the New Jeans were not
yeah.
debuted yet. So
Oh, so now it's New Jeans. Now, if you could write a letter to anyone.
Oh my god.
oh my god.
Okay. With all this conversation about letters, the rest of you, if you could write a letter to anyone, who would you write to?
ถ้าคนอื่นลองตอบบ้างนะคะ
ถ้าเขียนจดหมายได้
ใช่จะให้เขียนให้ใครใช่ไหม
พี่ก่อนเลย
I think I will write a letter to to our fan club.
Also you
but I think I will write to everyone in La Pluie the series.
is that including stuff?
As director or we
Someone special.
Yes.
Yes.
To everyone in La Pluie the series, I want to say thank you very much.
Yes, he loved his job.
Nice.
I feel like that's a very great answer.
Yes.
Copter.
How about you
ไม่
sir?
คิดเลย
Like yourself first.
ก็เนี่ยกูเลยส่งให้คอปเตอร์
No, you yourself first.
For me, I will write to my parents.
Nice.
Very cute.
Very cute.
Okay.
Because they are my parents.
Amazing.
I mean, to be fair, Sia's mom did help him win QBoy Thailand.
It's true.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Why?
She sing with me
Oh.
at final show.
Oh.
In final show.
Yeah, you guys need to just watch.
Yeah, go watch it.
You guys should do a reaction video to the final episode of QBoy Thailand.
Yeah, that's
Go watch it.
Okay.
Okay, Copter, what about you?
Yeah.
It's your turn.
I don't know. It could be myself. In the future.
In the future. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Good.
that's a good answer. Okay, Boss, what about you?
Yeah, my answer is write the letter to our fan club.
Very nice.
So cute.
So cute. Taking lessons.
It's true. Excellent.
Okay, next and final fun fact. This may be a tiebreaker because right now, Tidal and Copter are tied.
Okay.
So, next fun fact. This person is also a flight attendant. Boss.
Me, myself.
Yes. So I'm so curious about this. Why did you become a flight attendant?
I think it's because it's beginning when I was a kid, and my neighborhood he is a flight attendant, and he bring a lot of the snack from the abroad.
Now I know.
Yeah, he came to Japan, came to Australia, and he bring some snack to his daughter, and I go to play with his daughter, and I have some snack back to my home, and then I tell my mom that I would like to be a flight attendant. I will bring some food and some snacks, some souvenir from every country back to.
So that's always bring the snacks to us.
Yeah. He's always bring a lot of
He-
snacks.
Yeah, he's so nice.
Oh, Boss is the
Snack
snack
guy.
provider.
Yes.
I love it.
So, what is your favorite international snack?
Japan.
Because he loves
Yes.
Japanese food.
Pulling
Duh.
it, coming back around.
Bringing it back around.
I love it.
Okay. So now, if we're keeping track, we now have a 3-way tie between Boss, Copter, and Title. So
Cool.
let's see if this one breaks that tie.
Yes.
This person graduated from the Faculty of Archaeology at Siphocorn University.
ผมคนอื่นตอบเลย
ไตเติ้ลนะ
ไตเติ้ล
พี่บอลพูดก่อน
อ้าวอันนี้บอส
Okay, go.
Copter
Yes,
Yes.
that is true.
I have another question for this what my major ชื่อว่า major
เมเจอร์
what
ไม่เขาก็เขียนอยู่ยังไง
ใช่ไม่
ไม่มีคณะ
อันนี้
อ๋อ major
what is my major when I
From the faculty.
เสือ he's no
so no
no
so let me answer it
okay
so Copter studied at faculty of this one at Silliest University in the major of historical
no
ไม่ใช่ ไม่
science human science
ไม่ใช่
Oh, no one knows. Any other guesses before Copter tells us?
Yeah.
if no one can answer this I will get a point
Yes, we will give you this point, but then I have a dueling question.
Yes. Okay, what was your major?
What was the major? Tell me.
anthropology
Anthropology.
so-
Okay,
we
we
did
have a
find-
follow-up question.
Yes.
Does anyone know the subject for which Copter wrote his thesis about?
Beth Ann. I know. Okay.
I want to know if Sia actually knows because
Yeah.
we found the thesis.
Yes, it's in Thai, so we didn't read it.
But Sia, what was it?
about sleeping
Nice.
Yes.
so you wrote a thesis about sleeping
yes because I like to sleep
That's amazing.
and what did you study again
anthropology
and you write about sleeping
I study about social and people
so
you know when you talk about sleeping it can relate about social and how people life going
got it so you wrote about like sleeping habits from
yeah
to see okay.
Yeah, it was very interesting because the translation is sleep in a capitalist society. So I wish I read Thai so that I could read this.
I know.
Sounds fascinating.
Sounds very interesting.
Yes. Okay. With that, though, this now means we have a winner.
Yes.
And that winner is Copter.
Good job.
Congratulations.
Nice. Excellent.
พูดไม่ทันอ่ะ
No. All the rest of you are losers together.
Yes.
There's only one winner. So all 4 of you have to stay. So,
the winner
yes,
is only one
so we are losers
Okay.
all together.
Here's a question. In English, we have a kid song about rain. If
Yes.
it's raining, we want it to go away. So it goes, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Do you guys have a like kid song in Thai about rain?
เรามีเพลงไทย
ตายตัว
ใช่เหรอ
เขาเอาเก็บมาผล
อันนั้นมันเป็น
มันเปียกฝนคนละทาง
นายตัวนั้นฉันเห็นมันอยู่บนหลังคา
แล้วร้องไงต่อ
นานานา
อ๋อ
นานา
มันเปียกฝนยังไง
ได้ลงจากบนหลังคามันรีบได้ปะพระอาทิตย์ส่องแสงน้ำแห้งเหือดในพริบตา มันรีบไต่ขึ้นฟ้าหันหลังมาทำตาลูกวาว
Okay, so we've discovered a song a Thai song.
Yes.
Can
Mimi,
you sing it in total for us? Mimi, can you help us with the words? What do those mean?
Yeah, Mimi, translate what that says.
It's like it's about a spider. Yeah.
Oh wait, is it the itsy bitsy
Is it
spider?
the itsy bitsy spider?
Yeah, I think you guys know it. It's the
Like-
same one.
The itsy bitsy spider went
Yeah,
up the water spout.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there are lots of songs about rain.
I know. We didn't even think of that one.
I know. Oh, that's so fun.
Cute.
There's a Thai version.
I know. And just like that, do you see how we tricked you into singing a song about rain?
เขาบอกว่าหลอกให้ทุกคนร้องเพลงค่ะ
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Great job.
This was a fun game.
That
But
was
now we have some real questions.
absolutely chaotic. You guys seem like a fun cast. We are having so much fun already. You guys just recently wrapped filming. So, do you guys have any fun behind the scenes stories you can share with us?
ค่ะ ก็การถ่ายทำเพิ่งจบไปนะคะ มีอะไรสนุกๆมาเล่าให้ฟังไหมคะ
เยอะแยะไปหมดเลย
เยอะแยะ
เอาเรื่อง
เอาเรื่อง
We have a lot of story
That you can tell.
เอาเรื่องไหนดีอ่ะ
So like
for me first
อ่า
like I got to shoot like every scene while the actors are playing something else. Like, I got like into every scene, and the others are having brunch, playing games, and like eating snacks from boss or something. So the fact that I'm tired, and we're having fun, you know.
Everyone's having fun, and Tidal is like probably crying on screen. Is my guess. Yeah, okay.
The hardest working actor in Thailand.
Thank you.
Anyone else got a good story?
เรื่องเล่าอะไรดีอ่ะ
For me. You know, Copter is allergic to shrimp.
Ooh.
Yes, but I always forgot, and I always pleased to him.
Copter this shrimp
Forgot. So many times.
Well,
Yeah.
good thing you have a medic on set.
I know.
I have one story but it's not funny
Try.
พี่เสือ
Okay.
always call me title
Oh yeah.
no
and
not always
call
not
title copter
that much เลย
ข้อนี้คือ
always
no not always
ข้อนี้คือผมต้อง agree กับ
ใช่คือแบบ
no not
สองคน
always just for start
I don't know why
from beginning but I'm good now
She's good now. I mean, the hair is kind of similar. Like, I guess. I will always defend Sia. It's fine.
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
his name so similar Copter you know when I call it in one word
you know
Yes.
Okay.
Sia's always right.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I think I remember ใช่
ภาษาไทย
I think the funniest story is
ทุกคนนึกออกกันหมดเลย
พี่
อ่ะ
เสือ face
bro come on bro
No,
He's
wait. Tell
always-
us though.
He's always do funny face
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we know.
Oh, we know.
like how can you show them aww is that funny
yeah
it's cute
I mean,
He
is
cute.
he is the cutest boy in
He
Thailand.
is.
okay
Okay, so Copter has told us a lot of good stories.
Yes.
Sia, P, do you guys have anything good?
you have anything
คิดไม่ออกอ่ะ
Are you awake right now?
yes, but
P, are you here?
You're with us.
I don't think it's funny, but when we go to in the character in character แสงใต้ and พัด he will hearing loss during raining yes and พวกเรามันจะโดนแกล้งอะ
we get
ทำไม
taste
โดนแกล้งเวลาที่ตอนที่หูดับอะ
ที่กูดับ
เราจะโดนแกล้งแบบพูดคือwhen
จริงๆนะให้
พูด
คือนั่นครับคือเวลาที่พวกผมต้องเล่นเป็นคนที่ไม่ได้ยินเสียงนะครับก็จะโดนเพื่อนๆแกล้งพูดแบบบางอย่างแต่เราไม่สามารถแสดงสีหน้าออกไปได้ตอนที่กล้องเขารับเรา
oh yeah so what he was saying ค่ะ
อันนี้เป็นเรื่อง
so what he was
ให้พี่
that so what he was saying is that right they will have like a hearing loss when the rains and then they will have to pretend like they don't hear anything and then that they will tease each other like say something and then they will want to laugh but they cannot laugh
because you can't hear
That's
ถูก
tricky.
ต้องใช่ไหมคะ yeah
ใช่ก็จะโดนแบบโดนแกล้งพูดโดนแซวบ้าง
yes
committed to the character
Yes.
I love it
Okay.
now me
now you
I have but not funny เอาเป็นภาษาไทยแล้วกันไม่ยาว
เทโลโลไม่ใช่
อุ้ยเพลงเราโรยอีกแล้ว
เก็บไว้ก่อนก็คือมันจะมีฉากหนึ่งที่ผมกับคอปเตอร์เข้าด้วยกันใช่ไหมครับแล้วมันเป็นฉากที่พูดได้ไหมมันจะมีฉากหนึ่งที่เขาต้องฉีดน้ำแรงๆอ่ะ
เพราะฝนตกเหรอ
พายุเข้าเลย
อ๋อ
เป็นฉากที่พายุเข้าเลยแล้วเขาแบบเป็นรถน้ำอ่ะ
อ๋อ
โอ้โหแล้วฉากนั้นก็คือแบบมองไม่เห็นอะไรเลยแล้วเราต้องเล่นอ่ะรู้สึกว่ามันสนุกมากใช่แล้วก็หันไปอีกทีมันจะสปอยล์
เรียบร้อยแล้วก็เดี๋ยวก็เดี๋ยว
เราได้ไหมคะ
ได้เลยก็ได้
เราได้
ครับ
a little spoiled so there's a scene where there are storms and it's not just like just like a little rainfall they use like a big car like a big truck to make the rains ถูกต้องใช่ไหมคะ and like they still have to act like during that time like a very heavy rains
Oh,
I see
very distracting.
yes
My gosh. Excellent acting.
I
We
love
can't-
the knit noise spoiler
Yes,
too
we can't wait to see it.
yes
Okay, so Pluie focuses on finding soulmates. Do you guys personally believe in soulmates?
ค่ะก็ซีรีส์ลาพลุยนะคะเกี่ยวกับการตามหาโซลเมตอยากรู้ว่าทุกคนเนี่ยเชื่อเรื่องเนื้อคู่ไหมคะ
I believe
personally I do not believe
yes
oh
no way that can't be
yes I think so
too
yes
don't believe
yes I don't believe about soulmate
I don't believe in soulmate
Interesting. Oh,
wait boss
you believe
we only have one romantic on the cast.
yeah so the question is why do you believe in soulmate why
นี่ไง
just
แล้ว
I'm just curious
because I think someday
you believe in
who
good
believe
timing
yes who believing in soulmate can be
may the force be with you
no อะไรนะ
ก็มันต้องพูดอะไรนะก็คือประมาณว่าเชื่อว่าวันหนึ่งคงจะเจอคนที่
คนที่ใช่
matching in relationship
yes so he believes that one day he will find someone who who has the same match with him in real life.
Yes,
Such a
Um,
romantic.
it's true. Ayla, do you believe in soulmates?
I mean, I've met Sia, so yes, I do believe in
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, so good.
Okay.
Oh,
I mean, I
continuing on.
can't believe that we only have one true romantic on this
I
cast.
know.
Do you truly believe in soulmate?
I mean,
yes, yeah, we know you.
yeah,
so
once we met you.
we fully believed in soulmates.
Oh, it's true.
Okay. Now that we've done that.
Yeah. We were.
So, 4 of you sitting in front of us today have actually acted in series before, and we've seen you in series before. However, Copter, this is your first time. Did you ask for any advice from your fellow cast members before you got started filming?
ค่ะก็ในบรรดาพวกทั้งหมดตรงนี้นะคะมี3คนที่เคยเล่นซีรีส์มาก่อนมีแค่คอปเตอร์คนเดียวที่เป็นครั้งแรกเนาะอยากถามว่าคอปเตอร์ได้ขอคำแนะนำจากเพื่อนๆบ้างไหมคะแล้วเพื่อนๆให้คำแนะนำอะไรคอปเตอร์บ้างไหม
แน่นอนว่าขอแน่นอนครับ
yes
because I ผมไม่ได้ผมเพิ่งเคยมาเล่นซีรีส์ครั้งแรกด้วยแล้วก็แบบคือมันมีหลายๆเรื่องที่เรายังไม่ได้รู้ก็เลยต้องแบบว่าขอคำแนะนำจากพี่ๆแล้วก็เพื่อนๆนักแสดงทุกคนอะไรอย่างเงี้ยครับคือทีมงานกองนี้คือทุกคนแบบว่า nice มากๆเลยเพราะว่าแบบคือคอยช่วยเหลือผมในหลายๆเรื่องเลยนะแบบว่าเรื่องการแบบว่าเราจะต้องทำตัวยังไงเวลาเราแบบอยู่ในกองหรือว่าแบบเราอยากเรียนรู้อะไรยังไงหรือมีวิธีการยังไงที่เราจะแบบทำให้การแสดงออกมาได้ดีอะไรอย่างเงี้ยครับคือตอนแรกผมมีปัญหาเรื่องการที่เราจะexpress อารมณ์ออกมามันเป็นยังไงแบบเราต้องทำยังไงเรารู้สึกแต่แบบเรา express มันออกมาไม่ได้ You're welcome You're welcome เป็นครูคนแรกของผมเลยนะจริงๆ
so he said that it's his first time so there are a lot of things to learn and but he said that everyone in the production teams are very nice and not only about the acting that people help him with but also how to behave how to be with the people in the team how to talk how to ask for advice how to learn more and at first he has a hard time expressing his feelings you know so he tries so hard to be able to do that
Excellent.
Oh, that's excellent. Yes. Yes.
What was the best advice you got from your cast members?
อะไร ค่ะ
Say it when you feel it
Oh, that's a good one.
Wait, who gave you the advice?
พี่กอบ
Oh, the director.
Director.
Yeah. That feels right.
Yeah, that feels right.
Okay, so based on the teaser trailer and the pilot trailer, this story looks emotional. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being Title's character and Remember Me Champ sad. How much are we gonna cry throughout this series?
ค่ะจากที่เห็นนะคะเรื่องราวดู emotional ไม่ไหวนะคะน่าจะดราม่าอยู่เขาเลยถามว่าช่วยแอบบอกเขานิดนึงว่าถ้าให้1เต็ม10เนี่ยระดับความเศร้าที่จะต้องร้องไห้เนี่ยเต็มเท่าไหร่ค่ะ
0 เลย
A 0?
มีลาย
I would rate this about 6 or 7
6 to 7
Oh my gosh.
because in Remember Me right the champ character is like the depressed one the saddest
So
one.
emotional.
And in this series I would rate 7 because there's some like romantic scene also some funny scenes some like
Okay.
Got some
Okay.
balance.
Okay, so Title says a 7.
Yes.
What does everyone else say?
I would say 7 to 7.
I'll say 7.
Everyone's saying 7. Pete, do you also say 7? Jet?
7
We're gonna be We're gonna be crying, but we're gonna be happy a little.
Except Copter, who said 0.
Yes.
Hey.
8.
Oh.
He's taking it up to bet.
He's now taking the advice. He's actually telling how he feels.
Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll be the judge of that.
Yes.
We'll let you guys know how much we end up crying.
It's Oh yes.
Yes.
We definitely will. For sure. Okay, we can't wait. We can't wait to learn more about these characters. We haven't learned too much. So, can each of you describe your character in 3 words?
ค่ะก็เขาบอกว่าอยากรู้เกี่ยวกับตัวละครมากๆเลยนะคะ วันนี้อยากจะให้ทุกคนเนี่ยแนะนำตัวละครของตัวเองใน3 คำค่ะ ใครเริ่มก่อนก็ได้
Let's start from เสือ
Everything.
3, 2, 1 answer
One moment.
I think I got the answer for myself for my character.
Okay.
For Sangtai, I would give 3 words. The first word is smart, and second word, introvert. The third word is creative.
Oh, those are good words.
Sounds interesting.
Okay.
Andเอาผมก่อนนะ
เอาเลย
I think this character part I give 3 words. One word is destiny, and 2 is
Handsome.
2 is handsome, 3 rich.
Yes.
Rich. Okay. Handsome and rich.
I love it.
There you go.
Now I have mine เอาเป็นภาษาไทยได้ไหมครับ ได้สิ ปากร้าย จริงใจ น่ารักครับผม
You know the last one, right? So the first one is like, saying something mean, like being mean, but at the same time, he is so sincere and honest. Yeah, and then the last one, น่ารัก, which is cute.
Cute. Yes. No other word to describe.
No other
Sia.
word to describe Sia. Okay. Who's next? Boss or Copter? Boss or Copter?
พี่บอส
Okay.
For my character, I think the first one is warm, and the second one is cold.
Don't look at me, boss, please.
Sincerely, as Suar. And the third one, in my character in love with series, funny.
Ooh.
Funny. Okay.
Yes.
I like those
I
words.
I do too. Okay.
First one depend.
No.
พอลงกดไง
Nice, so depressed. Oh, he.
Cool.
Cool.
First one
Okay.
cool. And cold.
Cool, and coolness. Yeah.
เอาแต่ใจพูดภาษาไทยไปเอาแต่ใจตัวเองครับแบบทำตามใจตัวเอง
So stubborn.
Stubborn.
ก็
Oh.
เป็นคนนิ่ง
And also calm.
Okay. Okay. These are lots of very interesting mix of words when you
I
mix
know.
them all together.
Yeah.
So I cannot wait to see this. But
I feel like I know the answer to this next question.
yes, after hearing all of this,
Yes.
if you guys could play a different character in the series, who would it be?
ค่ะถ้าเกิดเลือกเล่นตัวละครของคนอื่นได้อยากเลือกเล่นเป็นของใครคะ
เคยฟังแต่ว่าอะไรวะ
ผมจำผม
ไอ้ตอนนี้อาจจะเปลี่ยนก็ได้นะ
ใช่ไหม
อืม
ผมว่าได้นะ
ได้ first P.
I think I will try to be no I will try to be แสงเหนือ
Ooh.
I want to calm person
Yeah, that does sound like a fun character to play.
Yeah.
มองนะ
Yeah.
Okay so warm person
Okay.
I think I would like to play if I have a chance maybe like ลมฝน character the Copter character because I think I can play it
เข้าใจ
Okay.
For me, I think long for two because I want to pay somebody who's cool.
no but you cute you cute
I just want
to be cool
He wants to be cool. I
Title
mean,
gets
listen, Title gets it, but also we all saw that episode of You're My Sky during Torn's evil era.
Yeah.
So I actually think that Sia could do this.
Yes.
yes
See, I had a villain origin story.
Yeah. Sia did go evil in You're My Sky. Jude my Katongpa.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, who's next?
Yes.
boss
For me, I think I would like to play Sang Tian. I want to be cute like Suar.
I mean, you're pretty cute too. You're pretty cute too. I'm gonna
Yes,
give it to you.
Yes.
For me, first time I answered this question, I answered Nala because I like
attitude.
how she attitude about love.
Oh.
Interesting.
Now I want to be Mopat because he is so rich.
he drive Porsche
Fair.
He like
Yeah.
Yeah. Mungan.
Yeah. That hits every time. Oh, so good. We can't wait to see these characters
know.
and then picture them in other. It's
Their
gonna be
roles.
so good. Okay, so obviously, Pluie has a lot of rain. We prepared our raincoats.
Ready?
Yes. So what do you guys like to do when it rains?
ค่ะซีรีส์นะคะเกี่ยวกับฝนอยากรู้ว่าทุกคนเนี่ยปกติชอบทำอะไรเวลาฝนตกค่ะ
Sleep? I mean, you're an expert on sleeping, right? You wrote a whole paper about it.
Yeah. but I really like about when it's raining. It makes me feel I can talk to myself and it makes me feel great about
Some introspection,
Yes.
some meditation when it rains.
I don't know it might be sound of a rain.
Yeah, the sound of the rain.
Nice. Anyone else?
When I was in Nong Khai, I love to drive my motorcycle when doing rain.
That sounds
Yeah, no.
dangerous.
I'm not that fast.
Yeah, no.
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 You can't
Don't
say that
do
here.
that. Might die.
Very nice. It's very fun. It was very fun.
No. Okay, I need to know what P wants to do. P, tell me, what do you do when it rains?
When raining I love to sleep because in prison every night I will open the rain sound.
Oh.
The rain sound. Yeah.
to calm your mind
yes.มันนั่นแหละมันใช่
relax ไปด้วย
it made me relax and easy to sleep.
Uh-huh.
Agree
Nice.
Disagree.
why
I don't like sound when I sleep.
But you like to ride motorcycle?
You should try.
No.
No, Title, don't do that. Don't do that.
Title's like, don't worry.
Okay, but Title, what do you do? What do you like to do when it rains?
I like to just lie on the bed and open some music to like to get vibe with something like that.
Oh, nice.
How
Boss?
many
No one agree with me.
No.
How many you with that? No,
For me, when it's raining, maybe I need some hack. Because I'm afraid the sound of the thunder.
Oh.
Maybe grab my cat.
Oh, you're scared of
We have cat.
ส้ม
My cat name is Som Som.
Som som.
some.
Som som.
Orange.
Orange? Or yeah, it was orange.
Orange.
Som Som.
Som som.
Nice.
Wait, Title, what is your cat's name?
Combo. He's really cute.
I know, I've
Combo.
seen. Hmm.
British.
And then we have Plokman and Chloe
Yes.
also.
cutest cat in the world.
Wait,
P and Copter, do you guys have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Two guy dog person.
Yeah. His name.
I also have like
My dog. Is his name is Mao. ข้าวมาเล่ครับ
Ballet.
rice
ชื่อบาเล่
ชื่อเมา
ก็มันคือ
มันคือ
Yeah, it's mouse. Yes.
Mouse.
Yes.
Oh.
Wait,
Mouse.
what?
Mouse.
KLT
It's
Oh, cute.
MALT. You guys know, right?
Malt.
Like barley, like malt.
Yes,
like
barley.
Like
Yes.
barley.
Yeah.
Barley is malt, yeah.
Interesting.
Oh. Okay, Copter, what are your pets' names? Since we're talking about it.
ผมมีหมาจริงๆผมมีหมา2 ตัวครับแต่ตายไปแล้วตัวหนึ่งใช่เพิ่งเสียไปเมื่อไม่นานนี้ใช่ครับแล้วก็มีแมวอีก3 ตัวใช่
ชื่อ
หมาก่อนดีใจเย็นดีหมาชื่อชาลิวครับ
จะคุย
ใช่เพราะว่าเกิดตอนที่บอลไทยตอนนั้นน่าจะได้แชมป์อะไรอย่างใช่
Charlie.
ใช่ครับชาลิว CHARYL ชาลิวใช่ครับ
So
แล้ว
he
ก็
has
มี
two.
มีแมวหมามีอีกตัวนึงชื่อทิกเกอร์แต่ทิกเกอร์เสียไปแล้วใช่เพิ่งเสียไปครับผมแล้วก็มีแมวอีก3 ตัวชื่อว่าเหมียวชานมแล้วก็สงกรารอุ้ยมีอีกตัวนึงมี4 ตัว
Oh my gosh.
ใช่ลืมแมวตัวเองแล้วอ่ะ
Two dogs and 4 cats.
ใช่
Okay,
so
so
he
Copter
has
runs
a
the
lot.
zoo.
Yeah, he has a lot of pets.
So many
Yeah.
pets.
Wait,
How
how
many
many? How many does he have?
2 dogs and 4 cats.
Oh my
2 dogs
god.
and 4 cats. Yes.
Okay.
I hope you have a big house.
I love that for you. So let's bring it back to La Pluie, the series, which we're so
Yes.
excited to see.
Yes.
We, of course, now need to know the quintessential question. Tell us what your favorite episode is in the whole series. Give us just an episode number. No spoilers, but also
Okay.
spoiler nitnoy.
Just
ชอบ EP ไหนมากที่สุดค่ะ แล้วก็เอาแบบ no spoiler แต่จริงๆก็สปอยได้นิดหน่อยค่ะ แอบอยาก
Nitnoy.
งั้นเราพูดแค่เลขเลยไหม
I think
ผมว่าเราตอบดีวีเดียวกัน
หรอ
ผมว่า
ว่าผมไม่รู้หรอกว่าคุณจะตอบดีวีเดียว
ตอบ1แล้วสุดท้ายเพราะว่ามีผม
Oh my gosh.
Title.
โอเค
เอ้า
sorry
Title first
my favorite episode is 11
11.
Ooh.
Okay. Is it cursed? Because that's the joke, right? With international fans, we always say episode 11 is the cursed episode because something crazy bad happens.
Yes.
No. Okay. Well,
We'll have to wait and see. Is that what you're going to tell me?
Interfan might be right. I said, I don't know.
Are we gonna cry in F11?
Might be cursed or something. I'm not sure.
Not sure. Unsure.
Love it.
Okay.
Okay, 11. Okay, P, what about you?
I love episode 9.
Okay, 9. That feels safer.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
For me, 8.
Okay.
And then Copter
10.
10,
Amazing.
8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Boss.
12.
12. Who wants me better?
I love it.
Okay,
I want to know how this show got filmed because
these
guys seem like trouble.
They might be more chaotic than us.
It's true. Okay, guys, we can't wait again, as we've said, all show. We're so excited to watch this series. So we're gonna wrap it up with a little game of this or that. A few of you have played this. I'm sure all of you know how to play this. We're gonna say 2 things. We're gonna count to Nung Song Sam, and then you're gonna all together say the thing you prefer.
ค่ะเดี๋ยวเขาจะพูด2ช้อยมานะคะแล้วก็นับ1 2 3แล้วก็เลือกตอบแบบตอบพร้อมกัน1 2 3แล้วก็ตอบ
And I'm gonna try to do it in Thai.
Yes.
We're gonna find out if that'll work.
มีภาษาไทยด้วยนะคะ
Okay. First up, Instagram หรือ Twitter 1 2 3
Instagram ใช่
Oh, I think all Instagram.
I heard all Instagrams.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love it.
Okay. That was
The
an easy
photos.
one. Next up, Cafe หรือ Cha 1 2 3
กาแฟ
ชา
เขายัง
Vote
ชัดเลย
split.
Here's the question. How many of you drink Americano?
Raise your hand if you drink an Americano.
A classic.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's everybody else's coffee/tea order when you go to buy coffee or tea?
Actually, I love Americano, but I prefer green tea, like green tea.
Yes.
Okay.
I love latte or mocha. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Not Americano. ผม
bitter
Bitter. Yeah. Boss, what about you? What do you get?
Actually, I don't drink the both of them.
Oh.
I prefer to ask because it's the word that I say to my passenger. Your coffee or tea?
Oh my god.
Okay, I love it.
So what is your drink of choice?
What do you drink?
You have two choice, right?
No,
You just tell us any drink
any drink.
that you like.
That's the water.
Just water. We have a healthy one.
Yes, we got a healthy boy. I love it.
Yes.
Okay. Next up, we have Wan Ryu Kim 1 2 3.
Sorry.
Okay, we're split between sweet and salty.
Yes.
And I appreciate that everyone did that in English.
Yes.
So tell us your favorite sweet snack and your favorite salty snack, depending on your answer.
salty ก่อนนะ
salty
first popcorn
Popcorn.
No popcorn. I love sweet.
I prefer ice cream salty caramel.
Okay.
Okay.
Salted caramel ice cream. The best of both.
Salted caramel.
I think that's committed. That's sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
What's name salted caramel?
Okay.
So sweet and salty.
It's both.
See, I can have both.
คืออันเดียวตอบได้2ข้อเลย
Thank you.
Okay, P.
sweet เนอะ
บานอฟฟี่
yes and
Oh.
another cake
Mm.
chocolate cake อ๋อล่าสุดที่เรากินอะไรนะ
ชีสเค้ก
ใช่ชีสเค้ก
Oh, cheesecake.
Nice.
Yeah, good one. Okay, boss.
Sweet I love lemon tart
Lemon
Oh.
tarts. I like
Okay.
that answer. That's a new one. Title, did you tell us? Snacks.
Yep, salty. I prefer salt because I like to eat Lay's original flavor.
one
Yeah,
Nice.
yellow
Potato chips. Perfect.
Thailand has some crazy lays.
Crazy Lays,
Yeah.
but it's the OG,
The
for
OG.
title.
Yes.
Okay, next up. ภูเขาหรือทะเล1 2 3
Sea.
ทะเลสี่
See.
All Tales, I think. No.
You can't choose.
I like both
Okay.
Amazing.
I love it.
Emotion
Oh, the next song is emotion.
I love it. Okay, but otherwise we're all going to the beach.
Yes. Love it.
Perfect.
Okay, last up.
And last up, ฝนหรือตะวัน1 2 3
sun
ฝน
Rain.
Sun. We're split. We've got sun and rain.
Yes.
Okay, so for those of you that like the sun, what is your favorite outdoor activity to do in the sun?
ชอบทำอะไรคะ
is only พี่เสือ
I just don't like rain
Just not into the rain. But you don't want to go do things outside.
yes I
But
don't like
no, because
he ride motorcycle.
when it rains, he was always ride motorcycle. That's why he don't like.
yes
Oh gosh.
Oh my goodness.
This is a problem.
This okay. Well, that was
cannot
amazing.
do that in Bangkok but you can do
Oh
that
yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Uh-huh. No, you can't
No,
do it
you can't
anywhere.
do it anywhere. Don't do it.
Someone take the motorcycle away from Sia.
No motorcycles.
No,
for Sia.
no.
No more.
Okay, this was so much fun.
This was so
I
much
had
fun.
fun. Did you have fun?
I had too much fun.
Mani Sanuk Maika.
สนุกครั
สนุกมากครับ
It's always a good time when Sia is around.
It's always a good time with Title and P and Boss and Copter too.
True.
Okay.
All best
again,
friends.
Thank you
Poo
guys
and
so
Sunny.
much.
I figured it out.
Yeah. So ขอบคุณมากค่ะที่คุยกับเราวันนี้
ครับขอบคุณมาก
ขอบคุณมากครับ
Awesome. Thank you guys for joining us. This has been Let's Talk BL. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow all things Let's Talk BL at Let's Talk BL.
อย่าลืม
กดไลค์
กด subscribe
และติดตามพวกเราที่
Let's talk BL ด้วยนะครับ
อ่า